Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on our 2016 Kia Optima here today, we're going to go over how you adjust your mirror, the electronics mirrors on this side, the other side, and how you would go about doing that. So first you'd want the key in, or you can have the car running, do whichever one, but you want the key to be in the on position, right? And then you pick the left side if you want the left side to move, and then you have your controls right here. Push it to which way you want it to go, up, down, left, or right. So you do your up, down, left, and right from the little D-pad down here, and then that way you can get it to the adjustment that you would like, how you like to see down the side of your car to see what's on the side of you. Also, you do the same for the other side, just that you have to hit it to the right side and then do the same options of up, down, left, and right. And then just put it in the middle, and that way when you bump it, you don't turn the mirror and mess up the settings that you would like it to be at. So that's how you would adjust your mirror on your side mirrors on a Kia Optima. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.